Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. It's a nutrient-packed superfood that can fuel your body, support digestion, and boost overall wellness. In this video, we'll dive deep into the science-backed health benefits of Greek yogurt and why it deserves a spot in your daily diet. From protein power and probiotics to bone-strengthening calcium, you'll learn how this simple food can transform your health in ways you might not expect. Greek yogurt has rapidly ascended to superstar status in the world of healthy eating. Its popularity continues to soar, gracing breakfast tables and snack times across the globe. This thick, creamy, and delightfully tangy dairy product offers a unique culinary experience. It stands out not just as a versatile ingredient, but also as a true nutritional powerhouse. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its distinctive production process. It undergoes an extra straining step, which removes much of the liquid whey. This meticulous process results in a product with a significantly different nutritional profile. Greek yogurt boasts higher protein content and often lower carbohydrates compared to its regular yogurt counterparts. One of the most significant advantages of Greek yogurt is its exceptional protein content. This makes it an invaluable food for various bodily functions. Protein is absolutely crucial for building and repairing tissues throughout your body. It supports everything from muscle fibers to skin cells. For those focused on fitness, Greek yogurt actively supports muscle growth and recovery. It provides the essential amino acids needed after a workout. Beyond muscle, protein is renowned for promoting satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer. This makes it an excellent choice for managing hunger. Its satiating properties are particularly beneficial for athletes and individuals aiming for weight management. It helps curb cravings and overeating. By keeping you feeling full, Greek yogurt aids in reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. This can be a powerful tool in a balanced diet. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your meals or snacks contributes to a truly satisfying and nourishing experience. It's a smart way to boost your protein. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics. These live cultures are vital for your internal ecosystem. These probiotics actively contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut is fundamental for overall wellness. A thriving gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion. It helps break down food and absorb nutrients efficiently. These beneficial bacteria support nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most from the foods you eat. They play a key role in gut health. Furthermore, a healthy gut directly boosts immune function. A significant portion of your immune system resides in your digestive tract. Regular consumption of Greek yogurt can help improve various digestive issues. This includes common complaints like bloating and constipation. When you choose varieties with live and active cultures, you're also potentially contributing to better mental health. The gut-brain axis is a fascinating area of research. Beyond protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt is rich in several essential nutrients. These contribute significantly to your overall health. It is particularly rich in calcium, a mineral vital for building and maintaining strong bones. Calcium is the cornerstone of skeletal health. Calcium also plays a crucial role in maintaining strong teeth. It helps protect against decay and supports dental structure. Greek yogurt contains vitamin B12, which is essential for proper nerve function. It helps keep your nervous system running smoothly. Vitamin B12 also aids in the production of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Additionally, Greek yogurt provides iodine, a mineral crucial for thyroid health. Your thyroid gland regulates many bodily processes. Iodine's primary role is to regulate metabolism. A healthy thyroid ensures your body efficiently converts food into energy. The overall contribution of these nutrients supports general well-being and numerous bodily functions. Greek yogurt is truly a nutrient-dense food. Greek yogurt's versatility extends far beyond a simple breakfast item. It can be enjoyed plain, offering a tart and refreshing taste. Many people love to enhance its flavor by adding fresh fruits, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of honey. These additions create a delicious and personalized treat. It also serves as an excellent base for a variety of dips and sauces. Think creamy tzatziki, or a healthier alternative to mayonnaise in dressings. Its thick consistency makes it a superb ingredient to be incorporated into baking recipes. It can add moisture and a subtle tang to muffins, cakes, and breads. While Greek yogurt offers numerous benefits, it's important to be mindful of added sugars. Many flavored varieties on the market contain surprisingly high amounts. To make the healthiest choice, always opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This allows you to control the sweetness yourself. You can then add natural sweeteners like fresh fruit, a touch of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This ensures you reap the benefits without excess sugar. Greek yogurt stands out as a truly delicious and incredibly nutritious food. It offers a wide range of health benefits that support your well-being. From its high protein content to its probiotic power and essential nutrients, Greek yogurt is a smart addition to any diet. It contributes to improved digestion, stronger bones, and general vitality. If you're ready to eat smarter and feel better, hit like, share your favorite way to enjoy Greek yogurt in the comments, and subscribe for weekly nutrition and wellness tips. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.